Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What is this?
This is my pen.
What did you write?
I wrote a poem.
In which language did you write the poem?
I wrote it in English.
Where is your dad?
He went to the office.
Is anyone at your home?
Yes, my mom is there.
Why didn't your mom go to the office?
I don't know.
Who helps you?
My mom helps me.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
Where did you go?
I went to the post office.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my room.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
What's your job?
I am a student.
What did you buy?
Some vegetables.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
What is that?
That's a temple.
How was your day?
It was good.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.
Do you have a car?
I have a car.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
What is it?
It's salad.
How was the party?
It was good.
Where are you going?
I'm going to a market.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
What's your favorite food?
I love burger.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
What's your profession?
I'm a pilot.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Are you happy?
No, I am not happy.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
What does this mean?
That means friends.
What is today's date?
It's Sunday.
Do you feel sick?
No, I feel fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
How was the trip?
It was so fun.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I use your phone?
Sure, here you go.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love it.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What do you do?
I'm a doctor.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Who is he?
He's my grandfather.
What are you doing?
I am playing games.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
How much does it cost?
It's $50.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What do you do?
I work as a teacher.
What is she doing?
She is sleeping.
Where is your sister?
She is in her bedroom.
What is she doing?
She is watching TV.
Who was calling?
It was Aunt calling.
Who took my mobile?
Dad took your mobile.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7 a.m.
What do you like?
I like to play cricket.
What do you want?
I want to drink water.
When will you be back?
I will be back next week.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
What's wrong?
It's so hot.
When will you sleep?
I will sleep soon.
Which flower do you want?
The red and pink one.
Why are you sad?
I lost my wallet.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
Where did you go?
I went to the market.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.